and welcome to another Doctor episode. I'm so excited. So excited. I haven't played this in so long. So I'm at my dog's floor. And you can see I didn't finish the roof yet. Typical me. So I have 3 Huskies, 2 Dalmatians, and 2 Beagles. I haven't got a lot of the dogs yet, but I've got some. But today's episode, we're going to be getting obsidian. Because, as you know, we have not been doing that great because we don't have enchantments. We're not going to take any dogs with us. We're not going to take anything valuable at all. Nothing valuable is allowed to go with us. I can keep my red backpack. Wait. I don't know what's in the red backpack. It's all my stuff. I just make buckets for no reason. Actually, I'm going to keep this with me. And yeah, I think we're ready to go. Let me just put that in there. Take this out. Put that in there. Take the gunpowder out. Put that in there. Put the gunpowder in. We need the gunpowder. I think we're good. And it's time to go. Oh, I haven't told you. I have a full wolf pack now. I'm sorry that I haven't been doing much with you guys lately, but I just forgot to record. I have all these wolves, and I have a baby wolf. See, look how many wolves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 2 of them that don't have talents, and then these 3 have talents. Then you're gonna have a talent as well. And yeah, those are the guys that have talents. W talents mod. You know that. Now it's time to get obsidian. We need a enchantment table. We so need it. I don't get how you know how much levels you have though. That's the thing. As you can see, there's a ravine here that I didn't know we had. It's kind of annoying actually that we have it. Well, I don't think you guys know this, but I have a sugarcane farm. Look how much I have. I'm just going to wait for it to grow, and look at all the sheep I have. Yep. Actually, today we're just going to be, actually, I want to start a farm. We don't have a farm yet. That's what I was thinking of doing. We have no farm at all. So I'm thinking of creating an iron hoe and just, creating a farm. So first of all, let's go upstairs and sleep. Da-da-da-boom. Da-da-da-boom. Then we can go downstairs. And as you've been seeing, I went on a killing rampage and I got 34 pork chops. What am I doing down here again? I needed to get seeds. Treasures in this. Yep, 40 seeds. Need some iron. I'm gonna get all my buckets out and fill all my buckets up with water. Everybody in the whole wide world, feel my love. Everybody gonna take her heart away. There's a couple million in the whole wide world. Because as you know, I do not have a stable food source. And I would, an idiot, have to go upstairs and get my carrots. I'm just gonna leave this vent gate open because I don't have any dogs up here. This and I have more seeds. Whoa. You see how much I need to farm now? Look at all the seeds I have. I can have bread for ages. And carrots for ages. First of all, I'm thinking of where to do my farm. With my shovel with my meat. Being doing it right here. This is temporarily. But I think I'm gonna do it right here. Just here. I've got to bring my fences. I'm seriously an idiot today. I'm just forgetting lots of things. Blah blah blah. I can't wait till I get my German Shepherd. Soon enough, I'm gonna go and get a German Shepherd. Don't know when, but I will. One day. Clear landscape. Scoop, ba-doom. Ba-doom. See my sugar cane. You know, I bet you have no idea why I'm growing my sugar cane. I should have told you. I'm doing it because sugar cane you can actually turn into Doggy Talent's biscuit. Don't know if you've known that. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now I think it's time to start doing farming. Farming forever. Forever farming. Creeper! Die! Creeper, die! Die! Yeah. Got gunpowder. Okay. Put my water. Water, water. Water, water. Waste all my water. Whatever, so let's start planting. Oh, sorry, I'm not talking. I just realized I'm not talking. Whoops. Yeah. So, today might be a boring episode for you guys. I'm looking for something better, but I really need some sort of food to keep me going. To keep me going. 3, 6. Farming, farming, farming. Should be a farming song. Oh, McDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. It's a farming song, right? So, yeah. This farm's gonna be humongous. Like that. That. If I'm doing anything wrong while farming, please tell me. I'm doing good though. See, look how much wheat I'm growing now. I'm gonna go get some more water. Ooh, water. 3, 4, 5, 6. Woohoo. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. I need to put in easy access up to the bed. Boop-a-doo, 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 boop-a-doo. Wait, can I jump here? Ah, nah, it's all the way over there. I thought it would be cool just to jump into a pool of water. Should make a waterfall from there. I need this for the pigs. so glad finally. So, well, in between episodes, between this episode and the next, I'm going to go mine obsidian. And yeah, get some lava in my bucket so I can create like traps for mobs and stuff. I think that's enough fun today. All our fun stuff away. Water buckets. So I guess I'll see you guys next time when I have my obsidian. And yeah. So yeah, and my obsidian and what the? Okay. Bye guys.